Hello guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. So guys, as you must have seen thumbnail and the title of the video, what I'm talking about now. So basically guys, after such a long time, means it's been more than 2 months now, I'm on board ship. Basically I haven't stepped out. So now finally we have got some hope of light returning to home. Well, I have been receiving so many of comments, so many of messages from you guys. I really guys, thanks for your support guys. I really thanks for your support. And so guys, basically what happened is yesterday we had the announcement, and basically we have got all the details as well. We had the announcement that basically from the captain, our ship will be returning to India from America. So right now we are in Miami. So basically we will be having a sailing of 1 month. So in between of 1 month we will be having a bunkering for 3 to 4 times. We have first sailing of 9 days, as I think so. Then we will be having bunkering in somewhere in the Spain. Then again 4-5 days sailing, then bunkering. This is how the ship will reach to Mumbai. Okay, so basically our expected time to reach Bombay is 19, 20, 21 of June. We will be in the Bombay. So well guys, this is so good here. And basically as you can see, because whatever the pandemic which the entire world is going through now, it has never happened ever in history. So this is the very first or very new challenge for humanity to come over this situation, whatever we are going through of coronavirus, because it has never happened before. We do not have any idea how to deal with it. Well, now people are learning, but it has messed up most of the thing guys, as you know. Well guys, this is what I wanted to share with you guys, because I really care for you guys. You guys were receiving, you guys were sending me so many of messages, because we keep on receiving so many of news regarding other things from the other country, from the other areas, and it really mess up our mind, and we do get so many of questions then in our mind, and we want them to get the answer. So well guys, don't worry, everything is gonna be okay. So now finally we are returning to India. There are so many of Indian crews. Now what has company is done is they basically they have put all the crew members together, because basically they have separated all the crew members. Europe crew members are going in one ship, Asians are going in one ship. This is how they are going, and this is where they came up with this plan, and this is how they have deal with the situation. And now we are ready to go. So well guys, I hope you like this video. Basically I just wanted to share information with you guys regarding if you had any questions regarding crew members who are working on board, have they returned to the home or not. Most of the people, they have returned already. Europeans, whatever the people's Gulf countries, they are going, and Asian peoples are also going now. Ship have one of the ship of the Norwegian has already left for India or some of the countries in the Asia, and this is Norwegian escape also leaving for India, and after India it will be going to Philippines and some other countries. Okay guys, so guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then make sure you do like this video. It really motivates me to keep on making such videos for you guys. And make sure you have subscribed to my channel so you never miss a videos from me. If you have subscribed, please make sure you press the bell icon also. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.